Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to design an elegant invitation card for any event or celebration. Open new document, choose a pastel gradient for background, and then add decorative floral borders. Insert the event title in calligraphy font. Add subtext or names and details. Use gold or rose gold effect for luxury. Add icons for date and location. Now include a QR code for or SVP. Add subtle paper textures. Align text in a symmetrical format. Use layer styles for emboss effect. Now apply a drop shadows for depth. Review spacing and font contrasting. Flatten layers for printing. Export as high resolution PDF. Thanks for watching.